Let's talk about how to get your home ready for inspection day and what to expect once it starts. Let's talk timing. Inspectors usually show up 15 to 30 minutes early to start outside. Plan for about 3 hours total, sometimes faster, sometimes slower, depending on the size of your home. You'll want to have your house in showing condition, clean, tidy, lights on, just like a regular showing. Plan to leave about 15 minutes before the scheduled start time. Buyers and their agents will be there along with the inspectors. If you have pets, make sure they're outside of the home for their safety and for the duration of the inspection. And while you're at it, change your furnace filters and pick up any pest traps. If the buyers ordered a radon test, small monitors will be placed in the home for about 48 hours. Don't move or unplug them, and be sure to keep windows and doors closed. Those sensors pick up even small changes. When the inspection's over, someone from our team will let you know that it's okay to come back. Here's something important to remember. Sellers don't receive a copy of the inspection report in the state of Illinois. That's by law, because once you have it, you could be legally obligated to fix every single thing that's on that list. If there's a big concern, the buyer's agent may share that with us ahead of time, but don't expect detailed feedback the same day. Inspections are thorough. They cover everything from the roof and structure, plumbing, electrical, and mechanicals. No home is perfect, so expect a few things to come up. It's also common for buyers to ask for a credit instead of repairs. Those can range from $2,000 to $15,000, depending on what's found. We will all talk through any requests and discuss with your attorney before making decisions. And if you do agree to repairs, you'll have until closing to finish them and provide receipts. The repairs don't have to be completed before attorney review ends. Bottom line, inspection day can feel a little tense, but it's just part of the process. Stay flexible, keep your home in show-ready condition, and we'll make sure everything moves smoothly towards closing.